Welcome to our tutorial on how to report a chat group on Twitter using your PC. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open Twitter on your PC and log into your account. Step 2. On the left side of the page, click on Messages to access your direct messages. Step 3. In the address box, enter the name of the chat group you wish to report. Step 4. Click on the group chat from the list of conversations to open the chat. Step 5. Within the group conversation, look for the information icon and click on it to access the conversation settings. Step 6. Once you are in the group info page, locate and click on the report option to report the chat group to Twitter. By following these steps, you can easily report a chat group on Twitter, helping maintain a safe and positive online environment. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to report a chat group on Twitter using your PC. Remember, reporting inappropriate behavior is essential for a better online community.